Let's get back to an earlier story where we told you about St. Mary Technical High's Kenrick Sharpe, and he being the best opportunity for them to land a medal at Champs 2026. He was one of the star performers at the McKenley Wint Track and Field Classic at Calabar High School on Saturday with a season-leading time over 100 meters. Here's Garfield Jones.
With a number of track and field meets being cancelled for the 2026 season, high school athletes are hungry for a steady diet of development meets. The McKenley Wint Classic has been a staple on the track and field menu, and the meet once again served up some sizzling early season performances. With Jamaica being rated as the sprint capital of the world, the 100 meters naturally took center stage. Looking to make up this season after injury ruled him out of the Class 1 final at Boys Champs last year, Kenrick Sharpe of St. Mary Technical sped to the fastest time of the day, clocking 10.46 seconds. According to Sharpe, he simply followed his coach's instructions.
It's me and my coach telling me to execute, come out and execute, and I did that.
He says his preparation for this season has also been hampered by injuries.
Training has been not good because grind injuries, and I have to sit out some sessions, but I'm going to the physio and see what can be done.
Paul Henry of Fogo Road High had the fastest time of the day before it was eclipsed by Sharpe. He stopped the clock at 10.65 seconds and credited a good start to his impressive time.
And maintain to the finish line.
He was pleased with the improvement of his season opener when compared with last year.
Well, because last year I did 10.7, I think it's 10.7.8, and this year 10.6.5. So, yeah.
Darren Laidlaw, a member of the organizing committee, said despite a drop in entries, they were pleased with the turnout and performances.
The meet is, I would say it's remained consistent. I mean, Melissa would have affected quite a few entries for this year, but we still had 1,800. So that's a good thing. The performances I thought were in instances exceptional, and the rest, credible. It would stand out for those track and field fans, checking the results. They would more than likely be very happy with what they're seeing, the progress for their athletes. There were some standout performances and standout schools.
The meet is held in honor of the late Herb McKenley and Arthur Wint, Olympic medalists and past students of Calabar High. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.